How to activate your Go2bank card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to activate your Go2bank card. So let's get started and type in go2bank.com and hit enter. Once you are on the homepage of Go2bank, tap on activate card at the top right corner of your screen. Now you will be directed towards the login page. Here you'll need to enter your card information such as card number, expiration date and security code. Then tap on the continue. If this is your first time activating a Go2bank card, you might need to create an online account, enter your personal information such as name, address, phone number and email and create a username and password. Once your card details are verified and your account is set up, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your Go2bank card has been successfully activated. Now you are ready to use your card. And that's it. With this, you have successfully activated your Go2bank card. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.